Shit, I never seen that.
Welcome back, Donut Speedway. Welcome if you're new. Race brought to you by Zeke's Towing and Repair.
There's Zeke put in there. He's got a couple of them.
Yeah. Transformers?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Never noticed them. Oh my lord. Is that something new? Have you had them?
No, these are old. They're Mustangs. That's what they look like.
Wow.
And then they also glow. The white part.
Glow in the dark?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Ain't that something? Wow.
So.
That's crazy.
I don't have. There's a lot of stuff I don't have.
You got full money, don't you?
Yeah. We're running lifelikes now. We already ran Auto Worlds Super 3s, the new Super 3s. I don't know.
Not very super.
Yeah, low laps today. Yellow one was fast.
Yeah, the yellow one was singing. But 1 out of 3 or 4.
1 out of 4.
No, 2. The blue did okay.
That's okay.
Got that one bad spot in the track. Seems like every car crashes.
You know, I didn't crash there a lot with the blue car because I drove
I
slow.
slowed down.
I slowed down to a pretty good.
I want to put up the wall.
Put up the wall.
Definitely need that.
Oh, they raced last week at Rocket's house. My kid's in cheerleading, so I filmed
Yeah.
with my camera or phone, so we didn't film.
No, Zeke won the Formula One class there. Rocket won. Tyco, we raced Tyco, and then we raced stock cars.
Cool.
Good racing. Had some noobs. The noobs, they raced pretty good. They did good.
I'm gonna cut that yellow tape off right there, or just freaking pull it off. Stuff makes me mad.
Yellow.
I tried to put it on there again on the corners. I cleaned it and I even hair dried it, and it still ain't sticking. So I'm gonna give up on them corners.
No good tape.
Well, the good tape's very, very, very
It's the
expensive.
corrugation of the track, basically.
I think if you actually bought like auto pinstriping,
It
which
might
is
be
like
better.
$9 a foot or something stupid, it would stick.
I
But
seen some at Napa. It was like $3 for a little roll, but didn't have a single color in
Of course.
it. It was like black.
right.
Yeah. But I don't know if it's something I could order.
Alright.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh.
Off you go. It's not working.
They gotta go to what?
Yeah.
Windows or track? Race director. Race director.
Yeah, I think
I ready.
Start resume.
5, 4,
Whoa.
Stick it
3,
down.
2, 1, go!
I'm in red.
Alrighty, here we
Glenn,
go.
will you give me a bump, please? I'll try not to do that a lot.
Backwards. Oh, it couldn't rock today. Holding money. Oh, it's sideways. Wrong way.
Oh, sorry. I forgot we was going that way.
Yeah, I was.
Backwards.
Don't want to say anything that's ruining it, but it gets harder.
I'll stand over here. Oh, it's me. I'm on the head.
That's left. Somebody's cooking.
Yeah, somebody's
Yellow.
looking. Oh,
See?
yeah, yellow lane again.
Do that right there, though. We got Zeke 8, Rocket 7, Dewey 6, and Golden Money 5. It's going to be a close race, folks.
Oh,
They can
Wow, I
stay in
seen
their
that,
lane
dude.
I saw that.
and
We
they'll
all
Yeah,
know
yeah.
it.
remember which way they're going.
Oh,
Here
white.
we go, third one.
Oh look, somehow I passed Zeke. I don't know what happened.
He hung up on a paper clip.
Here we go, third one. Okay.
Wow, I seen backwards into the yellow lane.
Rocket and Zeke battling it out for first place.
Young Hook, what's going on?
Oh,
I
I
lost
see
me.
Somebody told me, wasn't it?
Yeah, I lost me.
somebody smells on fire.
Pushing Zeke and I lost.
Something does smell hot.
I'm not seeing it. You what? The yellow flag?
White car.
Right behind the station.
In the paper clipping?
Yeah.
Yellow
That was it.
flag.
No.
Did you hit a yellow flag?
I hit yellow flag
Oh,
when he
you're
couldn't
loose.
find his car.
It's you. I smell you.
I thought
The yellow smells pretty hot.
I do smell it now. Oh yeah, right there. There's your problem right there.
Hopefully it makes it.
It's right.
I can smell it.
It's running good.
Oh man.
It's lubed up
Go.
now.
She's running hot.
All right, racers, let's get going.
5,
For the
Where
yellow
am I
catches
at?
on fire.
Where am I
2,
at?
1,
Red's
go.
up there. I don't know.
Rocket's got a
Still can't move.
2-lap lead on Zeke now.
Oh, I'm upside down. Sorry, Marshall. Oh, I fucked it. Driver interference from
Oh,
Rocket.
yellow's up there. Upside down, Billy. Alright. There you go, Glenn. Oh.
I'm watching Zeke's car. Oh, Zeke's up. Flat out.
Here we go, here we go.
Backwards. Thank you.
Oh, what did I do that for?
Red hooked up, guys. Red hooked up.
Blue's upside down here.
Oh.
The white car is backwards.
Wow.
I went through backwards.
There she is. Wow.
All right, Rocket. 26
Red
in
car
red.
on both.
Somebody
Give it a
needs to write. 26 in red for Rocket.
You gotta go
I didn't
there.
stop over there.
In
You did.
yellow, 22. Dewey in white, 19. And Fulton Money in blue, 15.
Oh, I forgot the
15?
bridge.
15.
Dusty back in there. Got too down. Let me come around there.
There you go. You got it.
There, stand that up in there.
Hey Zeke,
Yo.
stand up that bridge support. Right there, standing on the left side of the bridge. Yep. I took it out when you were racing.
Wow, these tires are dirty.
These tires are hot.
You seen the deer over at your house out there?
Oh yeah.
They're hungry.
You know what? I seen I don't know, maybe 14 does
got you tied
altogether,
down.
maybe one buck following them up or something. And I seen
Race starts in 10 seconds.
10 seconds, folks.
6 bucks together yesterday, like
Race starts
small
in 5
single
seconds.
prong up to the bigger one coming last.
They're packing up now because they're dependent on each other, you know.
2, 1, go.
I need a bump. Red.
Oh, I need a bump. Stuck down there in the corner.
Oh,
White.
yes. Thank you. Oh, wrong way.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Red up here. Oh, then white. Thank you.
White.
Oh, thank you, Zeke.
Yeah, something dead.
Good way to tear the training out of it.
Dead in its tracks. They don't have trainings, they're electric cars.
Yeah, I
Blue.
need to get rid of
Oh,
Yeah, fix
blue,
one
blue,
car in the
blue,
white
blue.
lane.
Where's White at? There you go, Peggy.
Sorry. Didn't know where he was
Mash
at.
it.
Mash it, Tater.
Later, too.
Tater mash.
Hey, nerd.
Oh, backwards.
Speaking of Tater, is she driving yet?
Don't turn 16 till next month. But yeah, she's been driving a lot.
You'll have your 50 hours in, right?
Yeah.
50 hours with the
She's got that.
Yeah.
At the beginning. That was cool.
Pretty cool. Film at 11.
I've seen that.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, fix yourself there,
of
Rocky.
course, that's what we do.
You're winning. Beat me and I'll help you out, Monty.
Pretty marginal.
We'll fix
that was
him.
me.
Although I did do this 3 more times.
Yeah, I've done your job more than you have. Oh, I'm stuck on the high bank up there.
Tough shit.
Hey, man.
Oh, then I get
Here.
Yeah, I'm running in white. Oh, yeah.
Where did my white go?
Oh, it's over here.
I'll take it over here.
Thank you, Robert.
Oh, nice. Did you see that, Peggy?
I seen it.
Woo!
Yeah, I helped somebody. Everybody's amazed.
You just went all the way down the straightaway backwards.
I did a rock for
Yeah.
Oh,
180 and kept on going.
I got the rocket to help me.
That's pretty amazing.
I backed down the back.
Oh, taking him out. Oh, taking him
He's
out.
here. I don't know what's going on. Go.
Yeah.
I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Where'd I go? Where'd I go?
Here, Robert.
Oh, I can't stop. I can't. I gotta go faster.
Oh, red there.
I gotta quit rolling up there.
Yellow
Oh,
here,
yeah,
go right
yeah.
here. Go right in here.
Oh,
Come
stop.
on.
10 seconds left.
10 seconds. I don't know what you're making
It's not
here.
over. It's over.
Not over yet.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Push on the
you son of a
Peg got
gun.
robbed.
We'd have more fun. I would have went through
No. She was pushing it.
there. Oh, man.
White. Where's White at?
Dang.
Wreck
Where'd you go
somewhere?
with it, bro?
Well,
Huh?
I was
White.
anyway.
Right here.
Hey,
Oh.
Zeke says thanks to Old Gray Cowboy for happy birthday
Appreciate
comment.
it.
Oh, well, yeah. Rocket
We try to
21
read them all and I try to respond to all of them, but
Peggy,
you know,
18.
sometimes
in white.
I miss one.
Maybe.
18 in white.
Yeah,
Missed
yeah,
last
okay,
week,
yeah,
so that
18.
didn't help any.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
lose our first piece.
Daisy's not here today. She's
And then Zeke is
gotta go be with her
16 in
mom.
blue.
Her mom's not doing real great. She's 82
Oh, wow.
and starting to have some health issues.
So, well, you gotta go fast through this corner.
Yeah, the main corner you can cruise through
You
there.
can go pretty fast. I was scrubbing the wall, but
White is backwards. Go
no,
white.
maybe it's not backwards.
He was, I see.
He went backwards down that through there, then turned around and come back.
Hey, spun that
I
baby
did
around
that
and
too.
slowed down.
30 seconds.
I gotta paint my car and work on some shit. I ain't got it painted good or nothing. I'm gonna paint me up a couple bodies.
Race starts in 10 seconds. Race starts in 5 seconds.
Yeah, so I tried to cool him off. What?
Old money, you should be in white.
5,
Gold money's in white.
Oh, I didn't know that.
How much?
run, go.
Yeah, pause it
Go,
when it's.
go.
We can stop. We're gonna start it over.
Yellow flag.
I didn't know that.
Nobody's taking off, so we'll just go from there. Is that okay?
That's
Hey, I don't
fine.
care.
Yeah, but it's only like
lost
Wanna
3
get
seconds.
in a warm up lap?
You
I
wanna
don't
go?
care. Let's go.
Go ahead, man. You can warm up.
Alright.
Drive around once. Come on, man.
It does run.
Drive
pretty
around,
good.
man. Come on, come on. You're right.
At least one time because you gotta know. Then oh, I'm dead over here.
I keep wrecking here.
Oh man.
I'm not coming back.
White's pretty smooth. It'll run all
Hey,
right.
Ray.
It does good.
I'm happy.
Okay,
I'm
race
headed
it.
over the track.
Shoot. Sorry about that. I was just sitting there and I thought, wait a
Warming
minute.
it up. He's
I
keeping
should
your
be-
car together.
Oh crap! Nobody's paying attention.
3,
Go.
2,
I wasn't.
1, go.
All you did was wheel and take off. Goes out front, man. Really on his tail.
Oh, glue, crack. Hard. Thank you, Greg.
Take the 250 and then go right down quick.
Oh, you got me. Good.
Oh, I'm into a bridge. Man, the bridge is laying under there. Why is the bridge laying under
What
there?
did you do?
I didn't do nothing.
Where'd it come from?
Right there. Try that guy. You just did that again.
Double there. Let's see.
Yeah, there's double bridges in there. There's Rob. There's Roberted.
Blue's not doing so well. Looks like Peg's the one you gotta worry
Oh,
about.
boy.
He's out front with 8. Blue 6, Fold Money 6, Rocket 5. Yeah, Rocket's not the one you gotta worry about.
Well, when he's taking bridges out and leaving them laying in my path. Gotta
Whatever
worry
it
about
takes,
me.
man. Whatever it takes.
You know how he is.
Oh, glue is not running smooth.
Oh, sideways.
It's real slow on that right in there.
Yeah, and then it's fast and other
Especially right here. Yeah, that's fine.
spot.
He'll
Oh,
do his
hey,
way
Joey.
again. They're still on his way. Minute 50 seconds. Peg 13.
Oh, there's that spot.
Wow, there's some sparks there.
Oh,
Right. He ain't got it going. Okay. 10, 15, Dewey 14, Cold Money 13, Rocket 11. 11, 13, 14, 16. Holy moly, oh, 45 seconds.
Bill went 11 with a blue card.
Well, I wrecked, but I didn't realize.
Yep, ran it back in your leg.
Oh! Thank you. Each
Yeah, that was
Hey,
pretty
taking that one was 26.
Rocket and Rover and the little red rider.
Whoa, she beat mine.
Bowling
That's
and
26
the rider
in
Six
band,
in
man.
red. She tied you.
Whoop whoop.
I couldn't do that.
Dewey
again.
24 in yellow.
Funny.
Yep.
Rolling.
Got Bowden 21 in white.
Man, I had a bad start.
Dude, I don't know.
I couldn't get going.
I couldn't go in blue, dude.
I could not
Blue
get going.
stuff. I know, for some reason, blue used to be the best, but sometimes Dewey fucks
Man,
with
that's
the track.
what it is,
Gets different.
I'm on the struggle bus in blue.
So do I go
What about that
No,
support
it's
there?
red.
Do we want it back in?
I come to
Do
Marshall.
we? Right here?
Yeah, sure. Nice rocket.
Oh, yeah.
Running into it.
I took it out. I took it out.
Ooh, already.
Yeah, that's your bad corner right there. Other than that, you could. Wrong lane.
Good, now we've
I
all
can't
done
move
it.
in blue.
We
Right
got
there.
Whoa!
I can move now.
Yeah, that's a bad corner too. It just seems to
Isn't that
stall
stick
here
gap?
and then take off right there.
White stuff in 30 seconds.
It's like you always wait till the last minute to feel that.
Whoa!
Don't think about it. Hey, look, I made it though.
You did,
Stuff in 5 seconds.
for you.
You're no bound nobody else, man.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Put grease on their tires.
Oh, where'd my yellow go? Down there
Right up there.
outside you.
Oops, look out.
Blue.
Blue,
Oh man, I checked the baby. Now
Here.
blue is. Oh, there he is.
You found something.
Holy cow. Got him?
You got plenty of power and paper, that's for sure.
That's no problem. Oh, wait. Go.
I was trying to.
And backwards on the uphill.
Leave me the hell alone.
Oh, in the uphill.
Backwards.
Yeah, I get it. I bet that's what uphill meant.
That's the opposite of downhill. Oh,
I'm stuck down there, man.
Man, keep whipping it around there. Down by rocket fuel in there.
Holy cow. Being overwhelmed back here.
We need to
We're
have
all
a yellow
wrecking and
flag.
folding money
Yellow
and
flag?
kicking mud.
Yellow flag.
I'm stuck down there in the corner.
What's wrong, Barry?
Peggy keeps
She's in the track.
hitting right here.
Holy fucking holy. Seemed like some big rocket maybe was too.
Yeah, we lost all this wall,
I don't know.
everything.
Getting through there. But that was a long time ago.
You would get stuck there though, and you would actually finish something like that.
Yeah,
That sounds better.
much better.
You know,
Let me
you
get
do
back
it.
You'll
over
be
there.
right here.
Yep.
Nice.
Alright.
Okay, here we go.
60, 40, 10,
4,
2,
3,
4.
2, 1, go!
Oh,
Driver goes black.
put it out. Other way. Thank you.
We're doing that.
2 minutes later.
Blue, come down.
So you can get a lot of power right there on that F-1.
Surgeon. I struggled in blue.
Oh, hit me in the ass.
Red runner.
Yeah.
There, I just need to be ready. To be ready.
Now it's working. Better.
We got folding money in the lead with 18. Peggy was 13 in yellow. Oh, well, we know where she is. Big 12 and Dewey 11.
You got a big piece of red tape.
Under a minute to go.
Oh, dude. Where's yellow go? Right there. Where it's always at.
I keep going through the light back.
Oh.
30 seconds left.
Peg and Dewey are liking to mix it up together here.
On the uphill. One.
20 seconds left.
Oh my goodness.
Seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Boom,
Heat over.
boom.
Fold money. Red 27. Peggy yellow 19. Blue Dewey 17. Zeke 17. Dewey in blue, Zeke in white. One more heat to go. I'm gonna come in on white.
I gotta remember this is the short cord.
Yeah, and this is a bad picture for you.
That's eight.
I'm gonna have to get on that. I'm gonna
I
pick this
just gotta
color
put it in
too.
my head after that.
Tricky there, don't you? Red's dead.
He needs a bump.
Dead. Killer, dude. What do you mean? I just killed it. Yeah. It was dead. I was alive until that's still the best of old. No coffee.
White feels good.
Oh, I didn't know it was still.
Until the end of the race. Come on, man. Where you been?
We're so far out in the country.
He's almost in Kentucky.
Real dang close.
Race starts in 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
I'm stuck.
Me too.
Not stuck there, are you?
Alright, good.
I'm sorry.
Pick on the girl.
Race starts in 10 seconds.
Race
Rather
starts
flirt with
in
the
10
girls than the
seconds.
boys.
Race
Sorry.
starts in 5 seconds.
Just that way.
Final heat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, you gotta make this race there, yellow car.
Oh.
Burn up.
That's probably still the back corner. Stupid corner.
Dude, I got that yellow car looking well in time. It came sliding all over the track.
Oh, my white car too, right in front of. That's my nemesis coming into that corner there.
Dang it!
Old money 10. Beat 9, hot 8, take 7.
I can trying to get a lap on Zeke there. There you go.
I'm fired with the driver, okay? Just saying.
Yeah, well, it's that blue car in that lane.
She ain't driving it no more.
Oh no, it's a mix up at the start finish.
Like 15, there wasn't no spectators sitting there.
Hey, whatever it takes. Look, I made it all the way back to these actors. I really struggled in blue bag.
So did I, and I normally don't.
That one corner.
I normally do really good in blue. I mean, it runs good, smooth.
Old money 18, Zeke 17, Rocket 15.
Oh, thanks for forgetting that corner.
Damn, he came back on me. I better get fucking all of that.
We're gonna have to keep his mouth shut. He's a potty mouth. This guy's bad.
We don't take him out in public.
He's old. We try to keep him at home. Ah.
30 seconds left.
I'm gonna leave this one. There you go.
30 seconds. 22 seconds.
20 seconds left.
Oh, get out of my lane. I'm having enough trouble. There's one rule we have. Drive in your own lane.
I am the rules. 6 seconds. Go, people, go. You just went through fake. Time's up.
Ah, I didn't make it, but I tried hard.
That's it. Racing's over.
Race is over.
Old money with
Holy
23.
I survived that one. Zeke was coming.
Zeke 22 in red.
Hold it.
Rocket. Yeah.
21 in white. Peggy 17 in blue.
Ooh.
Blue was tough.
Alright, let's get some.
One more.
Uh,
Oh,
That was it.
Wrong window.
I can't fucking read.
There you go.
Rocket with 87, taking that one.
Close.
Old Money taking second place. Woo, Money.
About time.
86.
86.
Close race.
Wow,
Dewey with
Zeke
85.
Taking the last place. Ooh.
Peggy 80.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Zeke 77.
The old man again.
Wow.
All right.
Put it on him.
Don't forget, man. This race here was brought to you by Zeke's Towing and Repair. Stick around. He can get you all
24/7.
towing and repair needs. We'll film the
4
last
and 2
class.
Wheels. 4, 2, 4, and 18 wheels.
2, 4, and 18 wheels.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching us, man. We have fun. Try to.